Dots clue? It's in the charts, literally. Let's graph real Spotify hits on the TI-84. From Greedy to Dance the Night, enter the scores in L1.
Press Stat, then Edit. Now press second, then press Y equals. Hit Enter or 1 to open plot 1. Hit Enter again to select the On option. We have 6 graphs. We will see the histogram first, then modified boxplot. Use the arrow keys and enter to select the graph histogram. Finally, zoom, then with arrow keys go to ZoomStat option or hit 9. The clue appears. Histogram shows shape. Let's get the modified boxplot. No outliers. Left whisker a little bit lengthier than the right one, so distribution is slightly left skewed. To use the line plot we need data over time. Let's track how one song went from underground buzz to global chart topper. Enter data in L2. Open Stat Plot. Select Line Plot from the menu. Write L2 instead of L1 by pressing second key then 2, hit Enter. Now display the graph. Each dot's a beat, each rise a ripple. This graph doesn't just show numbers, it sings.